What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Rick's channel. So today's video, we're going to the Bryan concert in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, August 6th at Lincoln Financial Field at Philadelphia Eagles Stadium. I'm hyped. I'm excited. Tickets were expensive. I'm so ready to go. Nosebleed seats. I'll see you guys on the road.
Interstate now. I just decided I ain't keeping quiet and I'm free. I lost my family to a bad disease. I got a mean gene in my family tree.
We have an update on the weather. It is pouring. I hope it doesn't rain. And I hope it doesn't get canceled from the lightning, because there was just lightning. So I hope a thunderstorm doesn't make it get canceled. Let's pray. I also don't want to sit in the rain.
Some grandfather and his daughters and me to see.
The merch line is crazy. Just went to the merch stand. We got a Quittin Time Tour hoodie and the hat. So, you know, we're ready. People are sitting on the truck taking pictures. Should I make the car alarm go off? When it rains.
Exit and continue out the nearest unobstructed gate. If you're seated in the President's Club suites in the when you make a turn to your seat.
I do not think the concert is going to happen. I think it's over. It's 9:30. There's a severe weather warning.
We're gonna die on the way home.
The lady just told us that he's coming on in 10 minutes, right, sir?
Allegedly, yeah.
We're going to real How we feeling in Philadelphia this evening? Thank you guys so much for staying through the rain. Hey, the daughter wants to love me down. I'm 51 miles out of interstate town. I just decided I ain't keeping quiet and I'm free. Lost my family to a bad disease. I got a mean gene in my family tree. Grows a grandfather and his daughters and me, you see. And I want to stay humble. I want to stay humble. I want to hear my father say that he loves me. Never gave a shit about me and arrogance anyway. If y'all are with us, I'll be working overtime. serves me the great Philadelphian RC. This lonely road for way too long, so won't you pray for me tonight? I've been heading down the dark Volvo. I've been dreaming of you. I don't want to bed, but my father wrote a shame that I met him that could never catch. He's betting on the 8 ball and the sidewalk. Cold blooded killer if he had. But every night he needs me to let himself a red 3 corner pocket at 12 a.m. I'm only 12 years old, but I got a hold of a pool stick I was gifted from him. My father was a vet. Got myself a stay. Years old, full of hate. You should be on the page. They said, boy, you're gonna fight a war. You don't even know what you're fighting for. I lost friends in the August heat. At night it was God I know. I said, Lord, won't you bring me home? Like I women in the West I want. I lost you in the waiting room. I was sleeping there for a week or two. Doctor said he did all he could. You were the last thing I had that was good. Saw all the mountains on the Tulsa street. I started leaving in from the east. 6 a.m. and fucked up again. Asking God where the hell he'd been. He said the sun will rise tomorrow, somewhere on the east side of Florida. And pack the bags west, they got no chest, and hit the road. How lucky are we? It's been a hell of a week, but you're all wrong. The smoke seeping out of the bar down the street, but we're home somehow. You always wind up here in a puddle of tears. Them boys are out and they're I've been here, I've been up all night, thinking about a life you ain't got. One you'll never know, 'cause you're a small town soldier. I've been here, I've been up all night, thinking about a life you ain't got. One you'll never know, 'cause you're a small town soldier. Wake me up when the season's gone, 'cause I've wasted all my dawns on you. What do I do? Oh, what do I do? And by the time she wakes, I'll be halfway to my best friend's home. And you don't know me, life is as fleeting as the passing dawn. And it was my mistake, but she never said don't stop going. Cause they let you play your music real damn loud. Don't stop letting it and you shout. They will understand the words that are pouring from your mouth. Wish I didn't, but I do. Wish I didn't, but I do. Take me down a road that's a little bit wide, to a place that's never sugar in your eyes, where the women are fine and the men fair. Hey driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Hey driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Hey driver, come on over. Been fighting God. This feeling nails his shoulder. Seems the place I'm getting on. That he always told me, never make a home on the road, while your lady's sneaking out and the kids are home alone. Hey driver, I've been riding, flown too damn long. All the love I had worth giving all spent on my song. Hey driver, the boys are gambling more than just their cars, with their bottles and their drugs and their Bibles in their hearts. Take me down the road that's a little bit wide, to a place that's never sugar in your eyes, where the women are fine. Ain't driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Ain't driver, you can drop me off anywhere. Go down the line, 'cause we all burn. So let me go down the line. Wanna feel it all. Short pain and let me go down the line. We all burn. Rifle in my hand and some brothers to my side. Well, I can't hardly wait for it to finally be quitting time. Oh, one day it'll be quitting time. How I pray it'll be quitting time. Quitting time is on my mind. I'm down here on my heart. I've been sweating for my way, but she won't go me after dark. How she'll go me after dark. You know she'll go me after dark. Thank you so much, Philadelphia, for staying through the rain. Lord, forgive us, boys and men. We're
What would you rate it?
I'll give it an 8.
We are all done. It was great. 10 out of 10. Fireworks were awesome.